Greetings, members, one and all of this Salivation Nation. Here we have a very soft-taken, cuddly, and very fat kitty. I don't think this has hurt this little kitty's feelings, but we've got two boxes, one very, very light and one pretty heavy. And in between these two boxes, we have a very soft lump of fur right here. And this lump of fur will not participate in the unboxing. But I wanted to show a proof of life video of the original soft-taken, cuddly kitty in this particular situation. The kitty has a blank stare on the face of the creature here, as you can see. In fact, I'm trying to get it to a point where there you can see the eyes of the kitty. And the kitty is mildly curious, it looks like, but that curiosity is short-lived. So, all right, we will stay tuned for the unboxing. Let's explore! These come to us from Monument Metals, and I'd ordered them very close together. And this is the sort of the beginning. Well, it is the beginning of a new collection I'm doing, and some of these have paid relatively higher premiums, but actually not terribly bad in this particular set of orders. But let's take a look here and see what's in this first box. This is the heavy box that we will explore here. On either side here, very good. Take a look at the contents therein. Okay, there we go. All right, let's get this down now here to where we can see the contents inside. I like it to do these small little boxes here. So we have the receipt, and here is the bag. All right, very good. And let's see if we can get this to open here. This off screen. All right, very good. There it is. Very well wrapped. I'm glad they protected it. This is in a capsule. And this is the Royal Arms. That's right, the Royal Arms 10-ounce silver. Yes, indeed. Lovely piece. And it is the 2020 issue. And I was kind of inspired by Centurion Sylvia's purchase of this. And I purchased it pretty much for the same reasons that he has, you know, and that this is just kind of a neat piece for the collection. And sometimes when you buy something because you like it. And nothing wrong with that, for sure. And I felt like I got a pretty good deal on this, considering silver was kind of dipping down at the time. But when you make purchases like this, you know, especially if they're relatively close to bullion prices, you're okay. And I think silver is still somewhat undervalued. But nonetheless, that's not why I bought it, because of premiums or prices or what have you. I bought it because I'm going to try to collect, if I can, I'm going to try to get all the different sizes and metals that this series comes in. And this is the largest that it does arrive in. So that is unboxing number 1. Now we will go to unboxing number 2. The light one, the very, very light one here. I'll do the same thing here. Okay. Very, very good. Okay, let's see what we've got inside of this box here. Same situation. Same kind of bag. Which in some ways is good. It makes it harder to get inside of for security reasons. But in other ways, it's a little bit frustrating. But here we go. All right. So there it is. The smallest of coin in the Royal Arms collection for the year 2020. It is the 10th ounce gold. That's right. And so this is the tiniest and smallest in the collection, and a very nice coin. And it turns out this is the last one they had from Monument Metals. Both of these were ordered from Monument Metals. And yes, indeed. And I got this sort of at a dip in gold, a little bit. Very nice. And they have the best. Seems like Monument Metals and their deals pages have been getting the best prices that I've seen on some of the bullion stuff. And this would qualify as such. A very nice, nicely done, very intricate design, especially in the galoche pattern on the queen side for a 10th ounce size. That's pretty amazing, pretty stunning. And it almost, it's just really sharp for such a small coin. But there it is. So, in a sense, as a collector, when you think about it, when you get pieces like this, you have the largest and the smallest. That could almost be its own collection, in a sense, if you think about it. The smallest and largest coins, one made of gold, one made of silver. The silver one only cost me literally a couple dollars more than the 10th ounce gold. That should tell you something about the cost differential between gold and silver and sort of the price ratio. 10 ounces of silver, a 10th ounce of gold. Kind of fascinating in a sense, but very, very nice indeed. Very cool. Let's take a look at the galoche pattern on the queen on this particular piece. Very well done compared to that. Very, very cool. Interesting indeed. So there it is. And you know what? Even though I'm a collector, I'm doing a collection of these. You think about it, it's weight to the stack as well. Because when you collect, you are stacking too, because of the precious metal content therein. So the only drawback to that is if prices crash, well, hey, it is what it is. But I believe in the long term, I'm bullish on the metals, and gold and silver. But there it is, the Royal Arms, the 2020 Royal Arms. You may remember I unboxed the 2019 versions. I think I've got the silver as well as the gold for 2019. But I'm not going to collect them every year. I thought they would have a different design this year, but they do not. But there it is. Additions to the collection and additions to the stack. The 2020 Royal Arms. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.